So, Lantern is a group that meets once a month on a Wednesday evening, and it's a group for people with learning disabilities, maybe people who might struggle with a normal Sunday morning service because we say so many words, and we get together and we have our own service, and it's really joyful. We really love it. And we would like to welcome anybody who'd like to come and join us, because we see ourselves as part of our church here. We're just a different congregation. That's how we like to think of ourselves. So as we come to be with you this morning, particularly to lead the service, we would like to extend an invitation to anybody who would like to come and join us as well and see what we do and worship with us. So that's the second Wednesday of every month up in the church hall at 7:30. So today we're doing some of the things that we've done over the past few months, really, to share with you, things that we've really enjoyed and that we feel like God has spoken to us through. So I think most of you, I hope all of you, have a piece of wool. Okay, if you don't, stick your hand up and somebody will get one to you, but hopefully you have. Oh, yep, there's a couple of people behind you, Mick. Thank you. So we have different colours of wool, okay, and these pieces of wool represent us, okay, and all of the different colours they're a representation of the different groups that we have in this church, okay. So we have our Sunday morning congregation, our evening congregation, Lantern, but we also have Wednesday fellowship and next door and the band and our house groups. And I dare say I could go on and name many more. So the different colours just represent that there's lots of different groups within the church. The pieces of wool represent us. Okay, and when we come together as a church family, what happens is Jesus ties these pieces of wool together and we all become one family, which is amazing. Even if we don't see everybody all of the time, we're part of God's family here in this church. So what we're going to do now is tie these together, okay? And the way we're going to do this is, for each section in the church of chairs, we're going to try and make one long snake out of these, okay? So if you tie them to the person next to you, okay, and then we'll need to go back. We're going to have some help to guide you, okay? But make sure there's just one long piece per section, okay? So as you get going do you get the idea? When you do this, try and tie your ends together, kind of near the end, but very securely, okay? Okay, as we do this, we're going to sing, Can You Believe It? Bind Us Together.